Right, in this video I'm going to do a few examples of singing from memory for practice. Now in the exam the melody will probably be 4 bars long. It'll be in 2 time, 3 time or 4 time. It'll probably be 4 bars of that. If it's in 4 time it might just be 2 bars if it's relatively slow, for instance, but most of the examples that we are given are 4 bars. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some shorter examples for you to, that'll be a bit easier, so you can get into that a bit more gradually. I'll do it as in the exam, so I'll do the key chord and the starting note and the count in. Then I'll play the melody twice. Then I suggest you pause the video, attempt it. I will then do the melody a 3rd time, just for confirmation. Then I'll move on to the next one. Okay. First one, remember these are shorter than the exam. Here is your key chord. Here's your starting note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is again. And I'm assuming you've attempted that, so here it is a 3rd time. Okay, let's have another example. Different key, different starting note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here it is again. Attempt it now. Here's a 3rd time, just in case you need it. Here's another example. Here's your key chord. Here's your starting note. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here it is again. Here it is a 3rd time, just in case. Okay, let's try one in a minor key. There's your key chord. Here's your starting note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here it is again. Here it is a final time, just in case. Let's do another one in a minor key. Key chord, starting note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is again. Here it is a final time, just in case. Another one. Here's your key chord. Here's your starting note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is again. Here it is a third time. Here's another one. Here's your key chord, another minor one. Your starting note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here it is again. And here it is a third time. You might have found that a bit harder. Some of these that I'm playing are actually 4 bars long, so they are the length that you will get, but I've been trying to make them sort of easier to remember because they have a nice melodic shape. Let's do something a bit different this time. We'll build a melody up from just a few notes. So let's see. Here's your key chord, and there's your starting note. So we'll keep it short first of all. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here it is again. Try that. I'll do that once more. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit to that. Here's your key chord again, starting note. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here it is again. And here's that second version a third time. Okay, I'm going to make that slightly more complicated. See if you can hear what the difference is and see if you can sing it back correctly. Once again, here's the key chord, here's the starting note. Okay, it'll be quite, well, anyway, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. And again. Here's that version one more time. Okay, I think we'll do an even more complicated version of that same tune now, just for fun. Here's your key chord and your starting note. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here it is again. Here it is one more time. So we've done a few practice examples there, and we've been making them a little bit more difficult as we went along. Hopefully that sort of got your brain in gear a little bit. Now I'm going to finish this video here, but I'm going to do one more using official examples that the Associated Board publish. So those really will be the sort of thing you might get in the exam. But that's the end of this video.